jong kaneka tenjuk.
Ka Voice of the People's Party kalabu jingkeli na ka sarkar jela halor ka jingkeno bakam shim la penkloi na ka benta ban sedang biang ya ka benta ka baar jong ka jingya kren penbet put bat ka jela Assam halor ka jingya kan at ki hinriu teli ki jaka ki badang sa unong ai ktien ka VPP uba bat scammer bo ula keno ba ka sarkar jela kala penkela ya ka benta baningkong jong ka jing penbet put syakamat election tang na ka benta ban yo vote Henry na kalyang ka sarkar jela kalapan pau bakani kamat kadang don ka jingya kren bat ka Assam baro artli ki sarkar kila pentikna syaki pajba bayakani kamat ansa sedang biang ka jingya kren.
As you said, the first the first half of the boundary settlement, the government was going around, and I remember they even made it as the election propaganda, telling everybody that we have achieved in this aspect, which no other government has achieved so far, telling everybody around. So if you could do it then, what makes the government to be so slow now? So, we need to have a government that is working not just before election, but works throughout the 5 years. So we need that kind of government, not only to think about the next election, but think about the welfare of the people, think about the overall development and peace of the state.
Chairman ka Meghalaya State Health Advisory